Scene: the courtroom of Krishnadev Raya. The emperor is seated on his throne. Courtiers, scholars, ministers are seated in 2 rows facing one another and discussing softly. Mantriji, standing up and bowing. Your Royal Highness, I have some urgent news to convey. May I have your kind permission to announce it? Emperor, yes, Mantriji, you may. Mantriji, Maharaj, a very great scholarly Pandit, Pandit Shahane, has arrived here. He has mastered all our scriptures and has won great renown all over India. Emperor, he must be a truly brilliant Pandit. Scriptures means sacred writings. Renown means fame. Mantriji, very true, Maharaj. What's more, Pandit Shahane has come here to challenge all the Pandits in our kingdom. He's visiting our court tomorrow. All courtiers, Pandits, etc. begin to show nervousness and appear restless. Emperor, challenge the knowledge of our Pandits? I'm not sure. Looking at the court, who all among you can take up this daring test of defiance? Come forth. All put their heads down in silence. Defiance here means a bold challenge. Emperor, annoyed. Not one of you can face the Pandit? I'm ashamed of all of you. I shall debar you from my court. I have never felt more disgusted. In fact, I shall sentence you all to. First scholar. Excuse me, Maharaj. I have a suggestion. I humbly seek your permission to voice it. To voice means to say something loudly. Emperor, still annoyed. What is it? It had better be a good one, or you shall be the first one to be exiled from Vijayanagar. Exiled means sent away from the native country. First scholar. Thank you, Your Majesty. I am confident. Let us send for Tenali Raman. He will certainly find a solution to this predicament. Predicament is a difficult, unpleasant situation. Second scholar, standing up. That's an excellent idea. Let us call Tenali Raman. He shall certainly pull us out of this tight corner. Tight corner is a difficult situation. Emperor, summon Tenali Raman at once. A guard leaves and fetches Tenali Raman. Enter Tenali Raman, bowing to the Emperor. Tenali Raman, bowing. I am at your service, Your Highness. Your wish is my command. Emperor, tomorrow Pandit Shahane, a most well-read, well-known scholar, is coming to our court to challenge our Pandits. All of them here are diffident of taking him up. They have recommended you to outwit the challenger. Will you accept it? Outwit means prove to be cleverer than. Diffident means not confident. Tenali Raman, most certainly, Your Majesty. Let me assure you that I shall not let you down. But I have a small request. When Pandit Shahane arrives tomorrow, all must accept me and honor me as the chief Pandit for one day. All agree and nod their heads. Mantriji, we certainly will, and I shall see to it that you are brought in with honors. Emperor, court dismissed. All exit after the Emperor does. Next day, courtiers, etc. are seated. Emperor's arrival is announced. As per protocol, all stand up and bow as the Emperor proceeds and takes up his place. Protocol is an official procedure. Emperor, be seated. All sit. Mantriji, With your benign permission, Your Royal Highness, may I call the great Pandit Shahane and Pandit Tenali Raman? Benign means kind and gentle. Emperor, yes, let them be brought forth at once. Guards hurry out. Enters Pandit Shahane, escorted by 2 soldiers. Mantri Ji, Your Highness, this is Pandit Shahane, the most revered and honoured master scholar of our ancient scriptures. Revered means respected. The pride of India. Pandit Shahane gives a slight bow to the Emperor. Emperor nods in acknowledgement and gestures him to be seated. Acknowledgement means acceptance. Mantri Ji, and now may I announce the greatest of great scholars in Vijayanagar, the Chief Pandit Tenali Raman. Tenali Raman enters, carried on a palanquin. Gets off, bows to the Emperor, then to Pandit Shahane. 2 Pandits follow carrying a huge bundle in silken cloth. They place it next to Tenali Raman. Palanquin is an ancient box carried by 4 to 6 people to transport 1 person. Emperor, all of you, be seated. Let the Pandits begin the debate. Tenali Raman, placing his hand on the bundle next to him and twisting his moustache with the other. Let us begin by discussing the merits of Tilakashta Mahisha Bandhana. Pandit Shahane, taken aback. What was that? Taken aback means shocked. Tenali Raman, loudly. Let us debate on the virtues of the scripture Tilakashta Mahisha Bandhana. Pandit Shahane stands up, wondering, moves forward, talks to himself. I have read thousands of scholarly works in Sanskrit, but have never even heard of. What was that name? Tila Bandhana, something like that. How can I discuss its merits? Pandit Shahane walks up and down in deep thought. The onlookers give sly smiles. Finally, Pandit Shahane throws up his hands. Pandit Shahane, I give up. 1,000 apologies, Your Highness. I have not read the scripture that Tenali Raman mentions. I concede defeat. Tenali Raman is the greatest of all scholars. Bows and exits. Emperor looking at Tenali Raman. Concede means to admit or confess. Emperor, I'm proud of you and grateful for saving the reputation and honor of our great empire. Let me reward you. Tenali Raman, smiling and bowing. Your words of praise are my greatest reward, Your Highness. Emperor, but tell me, Raman, to what great work did you refer? Tenali Raman opens the bundle and removes a bundle of sticks tied with a thick, coarse rope. Coarse means rough. Tenali Raman, Maharaj, Til is sesame, Kashta is a stick. So Tilakashta refers to the sticks of stems of sesame plants that you see in my hands. Pointing to the rope. This is a rope used to tie up buffaloes. Mahisha means a buffalo. Bandhana is the rope used to tie up something. So this is the Tilakashta Mahisha Bandhana. Emperor laughing loudly. So the Pandit got scared when he heard such a complicated name. Laughs again. Everyone joins in the laughter. Curtain.